Okay, this is a radial drill machine. It is a production-based machine, and mostly we can see only in the industries. So this as a radial drill machine has a one column is there. On the column, this is a horizontal arm. On the horizontal arm, this is a gearbox, and on the gearbox inside, that is a again as a spindle and a chuck where we can fit the drill, and the workpiece is mounted here. So what are the basic motions we need? We need to move this arm. We need to move these arms up and down. We can move as this arm radially also, and again we want to have a different speed. So for this again we can speed, and again we can move this chuck downward or upward manually as well as the automatic. And this is a coolant, so we will show all the operations. So that operation, Mr. Cable will show the operations of all the systems. Please. Now this is a on-off switch. Putting the switch, and this is an emergency switch. So what is that? Is a unlocking of a horizontal arms. Depending upon the size of the workpiece, we can position at any place and for the locking. Then again, as per the speed we want, we have a different settings are there, and to achieve 630 speed, we have to set the lever at 1 and 5 is there. So this is for the 1 and 2, this is the lever, and 5 and 6 this side is there. So here 5 and 6. So for clockwise and anti-clockwise, these are both the direction it is possible with the setting of a lever. And further we want to have a different feed. Now we can move this chuck downward and upward manually. So whereas this can move in automatic also, again that we have to set the feed. So feed is set as per the this scale is there, and as per the material we can set the scale, what scale is there, and after locking again we can go for the automatic drilling operations. So this is here we can show the speed, locking moments, movement of there are various options for the speed which is to be given to the spindle. This is an emergency switch. So in case of any eventuality, we can just press this switch and the machine will be off. Okay, thank you.